From the swirling clouds of Jupiter to the distant glow of galaxies billions of light years away, space has captivated humanity since we first looked up at the night sky and wondered. It's a tapestry woven from stars, planets, black holes, and forces we're only beginning to understand. We've sent probes to distant planets, landed rovers on Mars, and even left our footprints on the moon. But for all we've learned, space remains an endless frontier of mystery and wonder. It's a realm where the familiar laws of physics can get turned on their head, and where the impossible seems to be just beyond the next cosmic horizon. Space is vast, mysterious, and stranger than science fiction. What if I told you that stars can whistle, space isn't completely silent, and the largest known object in the universe could swallow hundreds of Milky Ways? Buckle up, because today, we're diving into 10 mind-blowing space facts that will completely change how you see the cosmos. We often imagine the void of space as utterly silent, a black canvas where sound cannot travel. But what if I told you that out there, amidst the swirling galaxies and nebulae, stars are singing? Of course, they don't sing with voices like ours. Stars are celestial instruments, their music born from the immense pressure and heat churning within their cores. These internal forces create vibrations, seismic waves that ripple through a star's plasma like sound waves through air. Using specialized instruments, NASA scientists have detected these subtle stellar tremors. When translated into sound, they reveal a symphony of hums, whistles, and rumbles, emanating from these distant suns. By listening to the music of the stars, we can learn about their internal structure, their age, and even their composition. Now let's raise a glass, or rather contemplate a celestial keg of unimaginable proportions. In the constellation Sagittarius, nestled amongst the stars, lies a cloud unlike any other. This isn't your typical cloud of dust and gas. This one is laced with alcohol. This cloud contains enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. That's a number so large, it's practically incomprehensible. This celestial distillery is located about 10,000 light-years away from Earth, near the center of our galaxy. The alcohol in this cloud is mostly methanol, a simple alcohol that's poisonous to humans. The formation of such a vast alcohol cloud is linked to the birth and death of stars. So, while we might not be able to enjoy a cosmic cocktail anytime soon, the existence of this giant alcohol cloud reminds us that the universe is a place of astonishing diversity. Let's journey now to a world that would make even the most extravagant jewelers gasp in awe. Orbiting a star 40 light-years away, in the constellation Cancer, lies a planet called 55 Cancri E. This is no ordinary celestial body. 55 Cancri E is a super-Earth, twice the size of our own planet, and its composition is truly remarkable. Scientists believe that 55 Cancri E is made largely of pure, crystallized carbon. Imagine a planet where mountains glitter with diamond peaks, where rivers might flow with liquid diamond, reflecting the light of its sun. This diamond planet orbits its star at an astonishing speed, completing one orbit in just 18 hours. The formation of such a diamond planet is a testament to the extreme conditions that can exist in the universe. While we can only dream of mining the riches of 55 Cancri E, its existence reminds us that the universe is filled with wonders beyond our wildest imaginations. Black holes, those cosmic monsters that lurk in the hearts of galaxies, are some of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. They are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. But black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners, silently swallowing everything that comes too close. One such echo is being emitted by a supermassive black hole located at the center of a galaxy cluster called Perseus, some 250 million light-years away. This black hole, millions of times more massive than our sun, is still reverberating from a cosmic event that happened 7 billion years ago. Scientists believe that this ancient event was likely caused by the black hole devouring a massive amount of gas and stars. As this material spiraled into the black hole, it released an enormous amount of energy, creating pressure waves that traveled through the surrounding gas. These pressure waves, like sound waves traveling through air, created ripples in the hot gas that permeates the Perseus galaxy cluster. If black holes represent the universe's ultimate endpoints, then neutron stars are their equally extreme, but far more energetic cousins. Born from the explosive deaths of massive stars, neutron stars are among the densest objects in the cosmos. Imagine squeezing a star 1.5 times the mass of our sun into a sphere just 12 miles across. A teaspoonful of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. Neutron stars also spin at incredible speeds, some rotating hundreds of times per second. These spinning neutron stars, with their powerful magnetic fields, act like cosmic lighthouses. They emit beams of radiation that sweep across space, like the beam from a lighthouse sweeping across the ocean. Pulsars are incredibly precise timekeepers, with some rivaling the accuracy of atomic clocks. When we look up at the night sky, we often imagine the stars and galaxies as fixed points of light, unchanging over eons. But the reality is that the universe is a dynamic and ever-evolving place, filled with objects in constant motion. Take, for instance, the Smith Cloud, a massive cloud of gas hurtling through the Milky Way galaxy at a staggering 3 million miles per hour. This colossal cloud, named after astronomer Gale Beeger Smith, who discovered it in the 1960s, is a behemoth, stretching some 11,000 light-years long and 2,500 light-years wide. But what's truly remarkable about the Smith Cloud is that it's on a collision course with our galaxy. The impact, predicted to occur in about 30 million years, won't be catastrophic. Instead, the Smith Cloud will likely trigger a spectacular burst of star formation, as its gas and dust collide with the interstellar medium of the Milky Way. The origin of the Smith Cloud is still a bit of a mystery, but it's on its way back, bringing with it the potential for a new era of galactic evolution. Let's turn our attention now to a world that's about as inhospitable as they come, HD 189733b. This gas giant, located about 63 light-years from Earth in the constellation Vulpecula, is what astronomers call a hot Jupiter. It's a planet similar in size to Jupiter, but it orbits its star at an incredibly close distance, completing one orbit in just over 2 days. This close proximity means that HD 189733b is tidally locked to its star, with one side always facing the inferno and the other shrouded in perpetual darkness. HD 189733b is also home to some of the most extreme weather in the known universe. Imagine winds whipping around the planet at speeds of 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. And if that weren't enough, it also rains molten glass on HD 189733b. Because of the extreme winds, the glass rain falls sideways, making it a nightmare world of scorching temperatures, hurricane-force winds, and sideways glass rain. We often think of the vast expanse between stars and galaxies as a perfect vacuum, a region of absolute nothingness. And while space is indeed a pretty good vacuum, it's not entirely empty. The space between stars, known as the interstellar medium, is filled with a sparse scattering of atoms, molecules, and dust particles. The interstellar medium makes up about 15% of the visible matter in the Milky Way galaxy. These interstellar particles, though incredibly spread out, can interact with light and other forms of radiation. They can absorb and scatter starlight, causing distant objects to appear dimmer and redder than they actually are. The interstellar medium is also where stars are born. So, while the vacuum of space might seem empty at first glance, it's actually a dynamic and ever-changing environment, filled with the raw materials for stars, planets, and even life itself. Our journey through the cosmos takes us now to the very edge of what we know, to a structure so vast that it challenges our understanding of the universe itself. Imagine a wall, a colossal cosmic structure, stretching for billions of light-years across the universe. This isn't science fiction. This is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, the largest known structure in the observable universe. Discovered in 2013, this cosmic behemoth spans a mind-boggling 10 billion light-years, dwarfing even the largest superclusters of galaxies. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is not a solid structure like a wall here on Earth. Instead, it's a vast filament of galaxies, gas, and dark matter, a cosmic web stretching across the universe. The existence of such a colossal structure poses a challenge to our current understanding of the universe. It hints at the possibility of even larger structures lurking beyond our current observational limits, structures that could challenge our very understanding of the cosmos. Our final stop on this cosmic adventure takes us not to a distant galaxy or a bizarre planet, but to a concept, a fundamental truth about the universe that's both awe-inspiring and a little bit mind-bending. Every time we look up at the night sky, we're looking back in time. Light, despite its incredible speed, doesn't travel instantaneously. It takes time for light to travel the vast distances between stars and galaxies. That means that the light we see from distant objects has been traveling through space for years, centuries, even billions of years before it reaches our eyes. Consider our sun, the closest star to Earth. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach us. So when you see the sun shining brightly in the sky, you're actually seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. Now think about the stars we see at night. Some of those stars are hundreds, even thousands of light years away. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that you're not just looking at points of light, you're looking through a vast cosmic time machine. witnessing the universe as it was in the distant past. Space isn't just a place. It's a story written in gravity, time, and starlight. Every fact we just explored is a reminder of how little we know, and how much there is to discover. The universe is full of surprises, wonders that defy our imagination, and mysteries that beckon us to explore further. If this blew your mind, just wait for what's coming. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss what the universe has in store. Drop a comment with the fact that shocked you the most, or one you think should have made the list.